Android phones are great for photography, especially on the go, but when the camera stops working, it can be frustrating. In this video, we'll show you how to fix common Android camera issues quickly and easily. What to do when Android phone camera shows black screen. Method 1. Reboot the device. Method 2. Remove the battery. Method 3. Uninstall incompatible applications. Method 4. Clear camera caches. Method 5. Factory reset the device. How to deal with flash on camera not working. Method 1. Check the flashlight on your phone. Method 2. Turn off low power mode. Method 3. Restart your Android phone. Method 4. Clear cache data. How if the camera of Android phone is blurry? Method 1. Clean camera lens. Method 2. Shake the phone. Case 4. How to do when the camera doesn't focus properly. Force stop. Settings apps camera force stop. Clear cache. Camera storage clear cache. Update app. Check Play Store. Restart phone. Reboot the device. Case 5. What if the camera app crashes or freezes? Clean lens. Wipe with a soft cloth. Enable focus mode. Check camera settings. Use manual focus. Adjust focus if supported. Update software or firmware. Fix focus-related bugs.